Honda's service manual lists this $400 procedure under owner performable maintenance. The dealer's service department lists it under electronic diagnostic services. Same procedure, $400 difference. I'm showing you 5 resets Honda dealers charge between $85 and $420 for including the $400 one they call a specialized computer service. None require special equipment. None require a dealer visit. The $400 one takes 4 minutes. Stay with me because the 5th reset, the one dealers quote at $420, is one most Honda owners have already paid for twice without knowing it. I've been a Honda mechanic for 15 years. Civics, Accords, CR-Vs, Pilots, Odysseys, Ridgelines, I work on all of them. In that time, I've watched service departments generate invoices for procedures the owner could do in the driveway before breakfast. These 5 are the clearest examples I have. Number 1. The Maintenance Minder Reset. After you change your own oil, Honda's Maintenance Minder keeps warning you to service the car you just serviced. If you pull into a dealership for just this reset, some service desks charge $85 as a service consultation fee. That's $85 for an 8-second button press. 3 steps. Ignition on, engine off. Press the trip knob until oil life appears in the instrument cluster. Hold the knob 10 seconds until the percentage blinks and resets to 100%. Done. Every Honda from 2005 forward uses this sequence. On 2016 and later models with a touchscreen, go to Settings, tap Maintenance, tap Reset. 8 seconds either way. Honda's owner manual, around page 417 depending on your model year, describes this procedure for the owner. The dealer's service menu describes it as a billable consultation. The $85 difference is the dealer betting you haven't read page 417. Number 2 saves you $120, and dealers run it as a standard add-on after every tire rotation. Number 2. The TPMS sensor relearn. After any tire rotation or replacement, Honda's tire pressure monitoring system needs to relearn which sensor sits at which wheel. Dealers run this as a separate line item. $120 for TPM sensor programming and calibration. Your Honda does this automatically when you drive at 28 miles per hour or faster for 10 continuous minutes. Highway on ramp, 10 minutes. Light clears. For a faster method, find the TPM's reset button under the lower left side of the steering column. On most Civics, Accords, and CR-Vs from 2007 through 2019, it sits there. Ignition on, engine off. Hold the button until the TPM's light blinks 3 times. Drive at 10 miles per hour or faster briefly to confirm. Light out. Dealers charge $120 because most owners don't know the car relearns on its own, or that there's a button sitting under the steering column that costs nothing to press. If you've made it this far, you're the kind of Honda owner who takes care of their car instead of just paying the dealer to pretend they did. Hit subscribe. I cover what no dealer service department will put in writing. Drop your Honda model and current mileage in the comments. I want to see how far you've pushed yours. Number 3. The Power Window Calibration Reset. Disconnect your Honda's battery for any reason. Jumpstart, battery replacement, extended storage, and all 4 power windows lose their auto up and auto down calibration. The window moves, but one touch stops working. Some dealers charge $65 per window to restore it. 4 windows comes to $260 on your invoice. A 2018 Kia RV owner came into my shop last winter at 87,000 miles. Her battery had died. The dealer replaced it and quoted $240 for electronic window recalibration service. She called me first. The procedure for each window: roll it all the way down and hold the switch down for 2 full seconds. Pull the switch up until the window reaches the top. Then hold up for 2 more seconds. Release, test the auto up. 2 minutes per window. She did all 4 in the dealership parking lot before the service advisor came back out with her keys. The dealer's $240 estimate covered 8 minutes of work the owner did herself in 9. The window relearn is built into every Honda. No scan tool, no special procedure, just the switch. Number 4 is the $400 procedure from the title, the one dealers are most aggressive about billing. Number 4. The Throttle Body Idle Relearn. Your Honda's throttle body controls how much air enters the engine. The ECM, the engine control module, the main computer, learns the throttle's minimum position over tens of thousands of miles and stores that data. Disconnect the battery, clean the throttle body, or replace a major sensor, and that stored data clears. The engine hunts for the right idle position, runs rough, sometimes stalls at stops. Dealers call it an electronic throttle control fault, scan it, and bill $350 to $400 for the diagnosis plus the relearn. The relearn takes 4 minutes. Engine fully warmed to operating temperature. Air conditioning off. Let it idle and park for 10 minutes with no electrical loads and no touches to the throttle. The ECM relearns the idle position on its own. Drive normally for 20 minutes afterward to complete the process. On 2012 and later Accords, CR-Vs, and Civics, there's also a manual accelerator sequence. Engine off, ignition on. Fully depress the accelerator to the floor and release it 3 times within 5 seconds. Wait 7 seconds. Hold the accelerator fully down for 20 seconds until the engine warning light blinks slowly. Release, start the engine. 2-minute idle, and you're done. Honda Service Bulletin 06006 for these models classifies this as an owner-performable procedure. When a dealer creates a separate billing code for it, they're generating a line item Honda's own documentation doesn't authorize. That's what illegal means in the title dealer billing policy, not criminal law. $400 for a 10-minute idle is something you should refuse to pay. A 2021 Accord owner came to me last spring after paying $380 at the dealer following a throttle body cleaning. I walked her through the idle relearn on the phone. She called 3 days later. The car ran smoother than it had at 60,000 miles. She was at 113,000. Number 5. The Honda Immobilizer Reset. When Honda's anti-theft system trips battery failure, key fob damage, or a wiring fault, the red security light flashes and some models won't start. Dealers quote $420 for anti-theft system diagnostic and reset service. The owner reset works on most Honda models from 2003 through 2022. Insert your key and turn the ignition to on, not start. Watch the security light. On most models, it blinks for around 30 seconds and then goes steady. The moment it goes steady, turn the key off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it on again. Repeat 3 times total. On the 3rd cycle, turn to start. The engine starts and the immobilizer relearns the key. Some models need up to 2 minutes per cycle. If yours doesn't clear after 3 cycles, wait 5 minutes and try again. If the light persists after 5 full cycles, the fault is the key or the ignition cylinder, and a dealer visit is warranted. In most cases, 3 cycles clears it. Dealers charge $420 because they plug in a Honda HIM scan tool to confirm the relearn succeeded. The scan adds 10 minutes and confirms what the dashboard already shows you: the security light went out and the engine started. You don't need the scan to know the system reset. Honda's service system profits from 3 things: owners who don't know these procedures exist, owners who don't trust themselves to follow a 3-step sequence, and invoices written to obscure what the work involves. Every reset in this video is in Honda's own service information. The dealer service department banks on you not reading it. You've now read it. Next video: 7 Honda maintenance jobs dealers mark up over 400%, and the 2 you should actually pay them for.